In this video, I will show you how to remove color fringing from hair in Affinity Photo. Today, it's not a big deal to remove background in Affinity Photo. There are many ways you can do it. For more details, you can check this channel playlist where I have uploaded how to remove background in Affinity Photo in many ways. This video is not focusing on background removal, but focusing on the color fringing. After we remove the background, sometimes there remains fringing, especially on the hair part. If you like to know in details how to remove green screen background, you can check this video. I have already uploaded it in details. You will get this video on this channel playlist, or I will put the link of the video in this video description. For example, see, after I remove this green screen, there is a color fringing in the hair part. To remove this type of color fringing, first go to Adjustment, HSL. Now here select only green color, click on it. Reduce saturation -100%. Now green fringing becomes lightened but still not removed completely. Close HSL. Select again HSL. Well, first HSL adjustment for the lighten the green part, and this HSL will be for replacing green fringing and match the color with hair. Now again select only the green color, click on it. Take a color picker and pick a fringing part of the color from your hair. Now use the hue shift bar. Slowly move this hue sidebar. As you start to move the hue slide bar, see those green fringing disappearing. Feel free and check it until you match your image hair color. And this will affect only the green area, not the image. This is first HSL to lighten the green color. This is second HSL to replace green fringing and match the color with hair. Now you can place any color background you like. There is no odd color fringing to distract your image. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to my channel. And please hit that bell notification for getting update of my all new videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video soon. I'm Dav from Affinity Vibe YouTube channel.